Let's now look at how we can get the real and the imaginary part from a complex number. First, we'll create a complex number in our tensor, maybe two complex numbers, tf.constant, and in here we have the first number, that is minus 1 plus 1.2j. That's the first number. And the second number we have is 2.1 plus 2.2j. And now when we try to get the imaginary part, we would type tf.math.imag. So that is imaginary x. And now if we try to print the value of z, we should get the values 1.2, that's the imaginary part, and 2.2 right here, and those are the values we get. Likewise, we could get the real part. So if we type real, tz is equal to tf.math.real. Again, we input the value of x, and we can print the value of z as before. And this time we get the real part, which is -1 and 2.2. So that was it for this video. I hope in this video uh, you got to know how to extract the real and imaginary part from a complex number. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.